What is up, guys? Basic Programming here with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own app icon. For example, I have one. Oh boy, that's a coincidence. I'm talking about apps, and that showed up from my last video. But no, I lost my train of thought. So, for example, if we open up this. Oh no, I guess I don't have my USB plugged in. But with my master program, it's the stupid CMD image with the settings, and I want to change that to an app icon. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. This may be 2 lessons depending how long it will take me to explain it. I hope not more than 15 minutes because then nobody will watch it. But let's move on. So I'm going to set mine to 800 by 800. I hope that's enough. I know in the end I'm probably going to have to size it down to 120 by 120. So I already have an idea planned out. First I'm going to create a new layer. Maybe. Oh yeah, what am I doing? I'm going to click this button right here, new layer. I'm going to name this app icon. And we're going to set the feather to 60, maybe? Then we're just going to draw a line. I think we can go more. Control D to deselect. We're going to go 80. I think I can go a little bit more. I'm going to go 120. Okay, we're going to go 100. We're going to stop there. There we go, that's perfect. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to... Where's the paint bucket? No, it's by the smudge tool. Well, maybe it's by this. Normally it should be right up, but I always forget to change it back from whatever I was on. So we gotta find it here. There it is. So we're going to take black. Oh my god. Okay guys, I don't know what idea I had about making that like thing, but you're gonna go online, type in blank app icon, and then search for an app icon that you want. And I'll be right back when I find one. Okay guys, so here I found my image, and yes, here's the thing that I'm working with, and here is the one that I want. We're gonna delete that. Okay. This is what I want. This is my actual 800 by 800. So, what we're gonna do is go to the crop tool. Now I could just drag this image over to this and then start editing on there, but I'm just gonna edit it here and make less cluttering space. So we're gonna take this. We're gonna draw a little thing here. Okay. We're gonna move in. I don't like their way of cropping because it moves the whole image, not just the. I don't know. You guys might like it. I don't. There we go. And I'm not too good, but I do take a class in school for multimedia. So I think that should. Oh, dang it. Right there. So you're gonna click enter, and then we might as well remove these spaces. So you want to go to the quick selection tool. We'll just select this, and then I don't think delete will. No, it won't. Of course. Or did it just? No, of course it didn't. So now we're gonna take the eraser. Why is it so small? And it'll erase everything in there. So that should be transparent behind it. I don't know why it's not. Then we're going to control deselect. Then we're going to get our quick selection tool again, select this, grab our eraser, do all that, control deselect, then we grab this, select it, oops. There we go. It's okay if it's a little bumpy, we can always fix those. We want to erase. There we go, control D, and the last one. Oh, I'm surprised it picked up this black over here. Normally it doesn't. the contrast might be up pretty high. And we're going to erase that. Now, we're going to move this image onto here. And there you go. So, slowing that up. And I'm actually worried that's not going to be big enough. Hold in shift to make it bigger. Did I say not big enough? I'm going to be worried that's not. That might be a little bad. But I think once it's like the size goes down really far, I think it'll work out. So I'm just gonna click enter. And if we shut off this and this, okay, yeah, so that's a problem. So app icon, we're gonna see where I am down here. We're gonna hold in shift, and we're gonna click app icon, and then we're gonna merge them. So I think you can click M, but I'm gonna right click and click merge layers. Okay guys, so now all you want to do is add a text layer. So we're going to go down here to the bottom right corner, and you see this thing's fold back. We're going to double click that, and then you can double click the name. Not outside of the name, that'll open up a menu, and you want to name this text layer. I mean, you don't have to name them if you don't want to, but I choose to, just in case stuff gets all cluttered. So we're going to go down to the T, and I want to put my text right here. This can be changed later, don't worry about size. So first I'm going to type what I want. And you can see I use that from my old stuff. So I'm going to scroll through these and find one that I want. I think I like this one. Now we're going to change the font size to 72. Of course that's not big enough, so we're going to go 120. This might actually work. Okay, I might stay at 120. To move it, normally you click on the line or somewhere, but go up top and move. I wish it were widened. Actually, let's go to this thing right here. If you click on that, you can select a style. So I wonder how will bulge look good? No. We can do. It needs to kinda. Or no, not that type of master. No, it needs to be like a serious type. Actually, that's fun. Okay, I guess we're gonna select none there, but I wish there was a way to make it longer. But I don't think so. I don't know what that just did. Unless we can find another one. Okay, I'll be right back when I find one. Okay guys, I have decided on what I wanted, so it's like in a military type writing. So now we're going to go to File, not Save As, I'm going to go to Open, and this is the image I picked. It's a really big image and probably has a good resolution. Oh yeah. Ooh, we didn't do that. Move tool. Yeah, look at the resolution on this. This image is probably 5,000 pixels long. Like, not saying probably it is. I looked up when I clicked on it. So, I was thinking about just downloading the thumbnail for it, but I guess we're just going to do everything. So, I'm going to select the computer, because that's all that I want. I don't even know if I want the shadow or the table. So, we're going to get our quick selection tool. And we're actually going to keep it small, because we want the minuscule detail. Oh boy. I don't think we want it that small anymore. Yeah, a little bit bigger. Wow, it's gonna take a long time. Okay, I'll be right back when this is done. Okay guys, so I got it all, and unfortunately I got the shadow, but I will erase that once I get it into the text editor, and this is going to be big, and I'm afraid it's going to get really blurry. Oh my. And Control T, I'm going to zoom out, hold in Shift, we're just going to go in. I don't know what that just did. I'm just going to drag it back to the... Okay, so I think the first problem is, no, I don't know. Why is it not? First of all, I can't move it. There we go. It wasn't letting me move it on this. Something. Let's remake that. But that's fine. We can zoom back in now. Okay, so yeah, I can't move it on that. I gotta. So yeah, see how bad that shadow looks? There's no table. We're gonna zoom in, and we're gonna grab our eraser. Make sure you're on this layer, not any other. Sometimes it happens to go off of this layer. Now we're just going to slowly erase. Don't just try and do it all in one line, because then if you mess up and you Control Z, it deletes all that you did. So even if you think you're doing good, it could happen at a moment's notice. I'll be right back when this is done. Okay guys, so I have this all done, so I'm going to move it to where I want it, and I think it's going to be right here. And now I want to actually put some code on here. So I didn't look up a picture of a code. I'm either going to do that, or I'm going to type something out and put it on. I'm going to figure that out. Okay guys, so I have chosen an image off the internet. It looked like this, and I got it to this, and I will show you how. All you have to do is have the image clicked on when it's straight, so it would look like this, and I only didn't record it to save time. So, and then you want to click, where is it? If you have Control T, this button right here, it bulges it. First I'm going to make my image a little bit larger, then I'm going to use this bulge tool to increase it. You can see there, and then a little bit. I think that's pretty flush with the screen. Let's click enter, and there you can see we have this image. So it's really simple, guys. That's all you need to do, and then you can just save this image as. Go to website converter from Photoshop to JPEG, and then save your image. And so yeah, with that being said, that is pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.